beyond sleep and wakefulness. Suspended in nightmare, a poisonous playground leaks endless terror through air, ground and water, into lungs and veins and wombs, tortured nerves and mothers' breasts. And in Bhopal, the births continue. Damaged spines, damaged brains, cleft lips, fused fingers, growth disorders, no limbs, no palates, no eyes, child after child after child. Over 23 years, the children of Bhopal have borne the relentless brutality of greed and corruption, of silence, apathy and indifference. On the 9th of June 2008, they tasted a new kind of brutality. A group of women and children, damaged by the poisons leaked through air and water, went peacefully to protest 23 years of inaction, 23 years of broken promises, 23 years of justice denied. Covered in shrouds, white and still as death, they lay before the Prime Minister's doorstep to remind him of the thousands who have died, and that more are dying day by day as the poisons continue to flow and his government continues to stop its ears, blindfold itself against justice, and keep its silence, while Dow Chemicals goes unpunished for all its crimes. Within minutes, the police arrived, armed with poles and instruction from above. Lying outside the Prime Minister's office in peaceful protest is a breach of security, far more serious than letting a derelict factory bursting with poisons stand for 23 years as it destroys generations of lives. Along with adults, the children were brutalized and jailed.
समर्थन देते हैं, दूर दूर से लोग आते हैं,
लड़कियों को इलाज मिलता है, उसमें भी बहुत आनाकानी होती है। सही केमिकल को फांसी दी जाए क्योंकि उसी के देश में उनको उनके साथ उनका साथ देना चाहिए।
It's like you mentioned, we'll only find out about Bhopal through the movie that you are.
और वहाँ की सरकार को बतलाएं कि भोपाल की जनता इस तरीके से परेशान है और वहाँ के बच्चे बहुत लाचार। भोपाल के अंदर क्या हुआ, जिनने भी जो भी ये मूवी देखेगा वो पूरा लिख के बता सकता है कि हमने
कि भोपाल में कितने लोग मरे इसके बारे में पेपर में छपा।
फैक्ट्री को खुद चलाना चाहती है।
फैक्ट्री को खुद चलाना चाहती है। अच्छा।
के काम के पापा बिल्कुल काम के लायक थे नहीं, इसलिए उनके लिए पढ़ाई छोड़ना।
वो छोड़ी थी, पढ़ाई में दिलचस्पी नहीं थी और
अच्छी दवाइयाँ देती ताकि गैस पीपर को पानी पीपर को न्याय मिले।
के साथ हुआ वैसे दूसरे देश की जनता के साथ ना, जैसे हम प्रदर्शन करके सबको बताते हैं।
My name is Satynath Sarangi and I am the Managing Trustee of the Sambhavna Trust. The trust started in 1995 and the Sambhavna Clinic started in 1996 but we had a much smaller space earlier, and in 2005 we came to this new building, and here this is where people come. We have more than 21,000 people who are registered at the clinic for medical care, and we provide medical assistance to people who have been exposed to the gas disaster, their children, and also to people who have been exposed to contaminated groundwater and their children.
Is it based on Western medicine or Indian medicine?
We provide 3 kinds of care here, all under the same roof. We have treatment through modern medicine, treatment through Ayurveda, which is the indigenous system of healing based on herbs, which includes Panchakarma, which involves massage and sauna therapy. And we also provide medical care through yoga. So sometimes people have treatment through more than one system, and sometimes people can have also treatment through all 3 systems, depending on the kind of complaints they come with.
Who is eligible?
Hey!
संग नींद भी हमारी तुम्हें याद करते करते जाएगी रैन सारी। तुम ले गए हो अपने संग नींद भी हमारी तुम्हें याद बसा है अनजान एक नगर में कुछ खोजता है पागल खोई हुई डगर में। इतने बड़े महल में घबराऊं मैं बेचारी। संग नी